So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2022 Lexus LC 500, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase just how easy it is to put it in a launch control type mode. So first off, put the vehicle into the manual driving position, or drive should you wish. Then second up, locate the traction control off button located top left of the gauge cluster. So you're going to push and hold this down. You're going to see traction control off display, but you're going to hold it down until you see a bunch of lights display on the gauge cluster. So I'm pushing it down. You got traction control off, keep holding, and then you got those lights that are displayed. So you got the light over there and the one over there, and you'll have the VSC turned off, pre-collision brake system unavailable message. Now give it 100% on the brake, and then I'm gonna start giving it gas, and it's gonna kind of lock it in at like 2,000 RPM. So I'm gonna start giving it gas. I have my foot 100% on the brake, and here we go. And that is how easy it is to do launch control in the 2022 Lexus LC 500.